Hi, I'm Jeanne Fiorini. Normally when you see me, you are about to hear a tarot tip, but today I have an event announcement. I'm very happy and proud to say that one of the preeminent tarot teachers, readers, and scholars will be in Portland, Maine this coming September 18th. Rachel Pollack, who is author of predominantly her most well-read and well-loved book, 78 Degrees of Wisdom. She's written 44 other books and had a part in creating 3 tarot decks. The woman is wise, she's intelligent, she's got a great sense of humor, and she's a joy to learn from. Rachel will be in Portland, Maine, not Portland, Oregon, Portland, Maine, for a one-day workshop on September 18th. It's a Saturday. We will workshop between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. on that day. The venue we've chosen is close to the airport and also is offering a discount on room rates for anybody who might be from out of town wanting to come to the event. Now, I know that for many of you, there are many people all over the world on the Tarot Tips, thank you, for whom this will not be an option either, for very many reasons. But, if you are interested in making a trip to Maine in the fall, which can be very lovely, if you're interested in learning from Rachel Pollack, who is really, I call her one of the modern tarot's founding mothers, the easy way to find out more information about this event and to register is to go to my website, which is tarotworks.com. And on the main page, you will see the link for the Rachel Pollack seminar. Click on that link. That will give you all the information that you need about this event and direct you how to register. Okay? The event fee is $125. Really 6 hours with a tarot master. So we're very pleased to be able to support Rachel's trip to Portland, Maine, and we hope you can join us. Again, to register, go to my website, which is tarotworks.com, click on the Rachel Pollack seminar link right at the top of the page. That will get you to the information and everything else you might need to know. If you have a question, send me an email. I'm happy to respond to any queries that you might have about this event. Thanks very much. We'll see you soon for another tarot tip.